Welcome back to the She Speaks AI channel, where we empower DIY entrepreneurs like you to leverage AI for your business success. I'm super excited to show you how to create stunning 3D typography in Canva. Whether you're looking to spice up your social media posts, create eye-catching graphics for your business, or just want to add a creative touch to your projects, this tutorial is perfect for you. Don't miss out on more incredible insights and techniques from the She Speaks AI channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the newest AI tools, passive income strategies, and products. Let's thrive together.
All right, so let's get into this and let's show you how to create this 3D typography or letters in Canva so you can take it to the next level or your graphics to the next level. So here we are in Canva and I'm going to just create this same creative here and I'm going to show you how I did this. Let's go ahead and add a page. So you'll start off with a new page and then make sure to select your background. So I'm just gonna leave it at pink. And now I'm going to bring over some text. So I'm going to create a text box and just make that go out a little bit. And I'm going to type the word creative. Now I am going to choose a different font. You can play with the fonts to see what works well. I'm going to choose this Rotarian font. It's like a cursive font. I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger. All right, let me even it out on the page. Oops. So it's centered on the page. Let me make this a little bit smaller. All right, so now I'm going to, you can write these steps down. So add your word and change your font. Make sure your background color is what you want it to be. Now I'm going to change this background color to the same, or the color of the font to the same as the background color. So I'm going to change that to pink. It kind of disappears. Don't worry about that. It's still selected. So now I'm going to go up to the effects. And in the effects, I'm going to choose shadow. Shadow is going to bring up new options. So the first thing I want to do is change the offset. So you can use these up or down to change. I'm just going to select the number and press the number 2 because I want to change it to 20 and press enter. So you see how it went to 20. Okay. The direction, I'm going to do the same. I want the direction to be 45. It's already 45, so I don't need to do anything. And the blur, I'm going to change it to 40. I'm just going to type a 4 in there and press enter. Now, the transparency, I could do that, or here, I'm going to move the, whatever you call this thing, the slider. How about that? Over to 100. So I move the slider for transparency to 100, or you can type 100 in the box. So now the next thing I want to do is choose a different color. So I'm going to choose black. Okay. So I wanted my letters pink, but I want that offset to be black, that background color. So now it's black and you can see it's already starting to take form. And you might even want to leave it this way, but we're not going to leave it this way because we're trying to turn it into that. So the next thing I'm going to do is duplicate it and put it back over the top. It's coming together. I'm going to duplicate it again, put it over the top. It looks great. I like to do it 3 times. So duplicate that and put it over the top. All right. So we're already looking 3D. Now I'm going to select that top one, go back to the effects. And for this top layer, I'm going to change the offset to 8. So you can, again, use your slider, your plus or minus. I'm going to just type in 8 and change that to 8. I'm going to change my direction to 95. And then I'm going to change my blur to a 10. Okay, so now I've got 10. And the next thing I want to do is change the color to white. So this is real simple here. change it to white. Now we've got that 3D effect going here. And so now I want to duplicate that top layer to make it a little bit more to deeper. That was one. And then I'm going to do two. You can do, three, makes it, the more you do, the deeper it gets. So you have three. Okay, I think I might have did. So I'm going to group it together. Okay, make it one design. And then the other thing you can do, this is great. Here you have your 3D typography or letters here. It looks cool, it looks stunning, but you can continue to copy that and then paste that and make it even deeper. Okay. So now it's really jumping off the page. So however many times you want to do that, that's probably enough. I can just do paste and I can keep doing it and it just keeps getting deeper. There you go. Okay, that's probably as deep as I mean, I don't know that I would even do that last one. So yeah, took it off. So there you have how you do that. Now you can take your lettering or your designs to the next level with this 3D typography. The other thing that I've done, and I didn't show this, but in the example, but you can add the clouds to the back, right? You can add some clouds, make it sit on top of clouds. And to do that, and then you can change the positions to just change that, make them sit on cloud. So you can continue to play around with that, but just want to show you how that looks if you do that. Let me go ahead and just get rid of that because the focus it was on making the 3D lettering. So go ahead and press subscribe to the channel and like this video and share it out to someone you may think could benefit from learning this in Canva. All right, until we meet again, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.